Hello, in this video we are going to run the OWASP Juice Shop application as a Docker container. Please ensure that Docker is installed on your system. I'm going to check the version of Docker in my system, so you should have a similar version like this, and then you can pull the image from Docker Hub by saying docker pull and then the repo where the image is existing. I'm going to say docker image ls and then the name of the image. Now we can go ahead and launch a container using this image by saying docker container run, and then I'm going to say -d to run it in the background, and -p to specify the port. I can choose 8000, and then 8000 is my localhost port, and I can map it with the container port 3000 because this is where the container runs. So 8000:3000, and then finally the name of the image, which is this. I'm just going to copy that and paste it here. So let's go ahead and run it. The container has started. This is the ID of the container. Let's go ahead and see if this container is running by saying docker container list. So this is the ID of the container and the shortened version of the ID, and then we've got the name of the image, and we know the port where it is running, right? So the process is already there. The container has already started, so we can actually go to the browser, and if you say localhost 8000, you should be able to view the app. So let's jump to the browser. So localhost 8000 is this, and the application is running here. So we can now go ahead and stop the container by saying docker container stop, and then call the ID of the container. So docker stop, docker container stop, the ID of the container is going to stop the container, and the application would no longer run on the browser. And if you go ahead and say localhost 8000 now, it's not there. The site can't be reached. Alright, so that's the end of this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching.